Hello and welcome to all learners on our productive and skill oriented platform. So being as a cloud learner, previously we explore a number of fundamental concepts regarding the cloud computing technology. And we learn a number of skills regarding how we can create virtual switches on our cloud platform, how we can play with the storage stuff, and how we can create virtual machines on our Azure platform. So when we create virtual machines, so definitely our end users going to make remote desktop connections to all virtual machines which we created on our Azure platform. So for that purpose, generally we are using remote desktop application, and we put the IP address of our virtual machine, and after that we can put the username, password, and we get simply connected with our virtual machines. But unfortunately, important thing is that this remote desktop connection is not secure by default. So if any hacker or intruder catch our network traffic, so intruder can easily get information about our IP addresses, our username, password, and number of other resources on our Azure platform. So right now it's our core responsibility to get the skills about how we can secure our cloud infrastructure from any hacker or intruder. So for that purpose, we have a number of options like network security groups. So like we can implement Azure firewall for our own infrastructure, and we have an other tremendous option which we are going to use for the purpose of connectivity, which is called site to site VPN. And we have also a NAT and PAT options available for the purpose of security. But we will definitely explore all those options. But right now we our major concern is about how we can secure our remote desktop connection. So for that purpose, Microsoft provide a tremendous service for the purpose of remote desktop security, and that service is called Azure Bastion. So whenever we implement Azure Bastion for our remote desktop connectivity, so Azure Bastion utilize HTTPS protocol and TLS latest version for the purpose of data encryption and remote connectivity. So when we implement this service, so our the remote desktop connection is completely secure, and no one can get detailed information about our sessions like IP address, like username, password, because this whole traffic will be encrypted. So right now we are going to implement Azure Bastion for our Azure infrastructure. So by that means our end user can easily make secure connections to their Azure VMs. So let's move and implement Azure Bastion.